back again. We're gonna finish this little old game, I think. Feeling real good about it. Okay. Let's do's it, twos it. What do you think? Oh, okay. I'm excited. I think we're gonna get this game in one heck of a position. I don't know what you think, but I think we got it. All right, let's just make sure. Give this a second to simmer down. All right. Okay, bit rates are all moving along. So logged in, every chat, everything is going. Let me just check the old kick. Is the stream going, Kick? Yeah, baby. Okay. And how about YouTube? Okay. We are going to finish this game today. I can feel it. Oh, is YouTube actually going? Did I mess it up? Because I tried to run a stream and it didn't shut down properly last time? Very possible. Oh no. Okay, there we go. We're on. It's a little messed up, but we're on. Okay. We really don't need these. Let's get rid of those. Edit. How do I delete this? Delete forever. Delete forever. Okay. All right, we're up. Twitch is on. Okay. If you were with me earlier this morning, we made a whole bunch of changes to hide and seek cards. And if you were with me this morning while you were gone, I also went ahead and made some more changes. We now have, which hopefully this will work properly, although I realize I'm still making some more changes. Okay, let's publish these and see if they work, and then we'll give it a go. If you want to play the game, if you just type in !join game, that will give you a URL for the game. I'm going to send this out to everybody really quick. That should go in all channels. Oh, don't go too many times. Uh-oh. Stream Elements bot went a little wild there. That's okay. Whoopsies. I'm clearing that chat. Sorry. That's just from here, though. You should still be able to see it. Okay, once this builds, I'm going to try and play it. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it will work, because it was in a pretty good working state. But we added so much stuff. Oh, I got to open XChat. Hold on one sec. X.Nikami. Hold on. Pop out. There we go. Okay. Oh, man. I am getting pumped because this game has come a long way since yesterday. It's pretty sweet. All right. It's published. Let's refresh. Okay, let's check it. If you were with me this morning, like I said, we've made some changes. Everything should be working normally. We're gonna try, ideally in this stream, we're gonna try and add 2 more things. One, some people had a really cool idea for like a private game server. Last time I tried to implement that, it blew everything up. So we're gonna be careful about pushing that one, but we're gonna try because it's a cool idea, and I think it would actually be really awesome if we could get it going. The other thing that we're gonna do is potentially, this one I'm much more terrified about. Right now, all the games are with 4 players. I'd like to push it to 8, up to 8. I don't know though, it's terrifying. Okay, let's see. So let's just try this. Find a match. This is a new feature. Pretty excited about this. So you can do a 1-round quick game, best of 3, best of 5. If we do round 1, it should join. Nobody will be here because I think I'm the only one who knows that I'm even doing this right now. But sad face. Come join my game. But if this if this works, I hope this. I'm worried. I did some UI changes to the table layout, and I find that, especially with AI, any of these table layout changes are just, you never know. It could go either way. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a little close. It moved my guy up too high, but I did add a chat. Look. Heck yeah. Okay, it's so close. It's just a little too high. What about on mobile? That looks good. Okay. Hey, Reventh, what is this game, bro? I'm making it. I've been vibe coding it since yesterday. I've written 0 lines of code, but it's actually a game that my son invented when we were camping. He called it Hide and Seek Cards. It's super simple to play. All you do is every person who's playing gets a random card. Then you pick who you're going to target, and then you try and pick a card. If you pull their card, they're eliminated. But what makes it fun is if you pull your own card, you're eliminated. So you get self-eliminated. And that's it. And that's the whole game. And then you just go till there's only one person left. So I started vibe coding it last night, and I got really into it. And then I decided it would be a really cool game if it was multiplayer. So actually, if you just run, there's a command for this, join game. And if you, why is it doing twice? I don't know why it's running that. It should only run one time. I'll have to fix that. Don't understand streamer sometime. But if you join the game, then you can play. It should run multiple servers. It should do a whole bunch of different stuff. I'm gonna try and find a new game. I'll do a quick round. So that's me. So if anybody joins in and does join game and does a single round, you should join into this same game. I have to fix one UI issue that I noticed because I just added a chat icon into the game, like the table. Oh, Loyal Viper. I don't know who you are, but you're in. Whoever that is. What's up, Alavo? Okay, so then this should go. Okay, should be 2 human players. Yeah, I just need to change the player character is too high. I just need to move that down a little bit, and then we'll be perfect. So Silas picked Loyal Viper and missed, so nothing happens. Now Loyal Viper, you got to pick a target, pick one of the players, and then pick a card. You should just be able to click on them. Ideally, it's working. If it's not working, then I apologize. Let me know though, because then I'll try and fix it. If you don't, by the way, if you run out of time, it will pick a character for you, and then you can just pick a card. Okay, so you didn't get the person that you chose, so they're still alive. Morgana went for Silas, but picked Loyal Viper, so still alive. I'm gonna go for Morgana, pick this card. Oh, it's me! So I'm gonna get self-eliminated. I'm done. So I'm out, and then the rest of the people keep playing. And that's the game, that's it. It is weirdly fun. When my son came up with it and we played it at camping, like, it was weirdly enjoyable. We all had so much fun playing it. And so I've always had this idea that, oh, you got it. Loyal Viper, you won. And then, so this is one of the new features. Play again. If all the humans vote to play again, it'll play with the same players, or you can, and it'll play with the same players, and it'll play the same, style, so it'll do like one round. If you click find new game, then you'll just go into a new lobby. So like if I click this, and then if you, I don't know if you're still in there, Olavo, but if you click play with same players, it should rematch with all of us. Heck yeah, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna go try and change the 2 things that I want to change though. So this is great. This is great. I would like to change 2 things. 1, after a game ends. Hey, what's up, Jacob? How you doing? After a game ends, I want the option for replaying with the same players should be only available for 30 seconds, add a countdown timer. If no one votes to play again, then shut that game down. Shut that game down. Also, after adding the chat icon to the player character... Oh, actually, I want to see if this works really fast. Olavo, can you see my emoji that I just put on? Dude, donated. Nice. Thank you. Where's Stu, Doug, and Steve? I don't know where Stu, Doug, and Steve are. Olavo, could you see the emoji? Can you put it? Oh, I won this game. Yay. No? Okay, that didn't work then. I tried to add it last second. Look again. Play this one more time if you can, if you have time. And just try and do your own chat and see if it shows up. I just want to see if I can see it on yours. Oh, no, you're already out. Oh, you saw it, but not on my screen? Like you saw it on your screen? Yes. Donated 15. Hold on. Is this actually happening or are people just messing with me? Because I have no idea. But that's amazing if people are actually donating. I mean, you can't technically donate on YouTube. So if you're donating, I'm assuming you're doing it through the button in the actual game. Or you're just not actually donating and I'm just getting... acting a fool here. Okay, here, I'm going to pick Loyal Viper. Sorry, Olavo, I'm going for you. Oh! Gotcha. Gotcha. Eliminated. It's real. Well, Jacob, that's amazing. Thank you so much. That's really, really cool. I really appreciate that. Okay, and Silas out. I won. Okay, I'm going to do a new game this time. It's going on your Google account. Oh. I didn't think I could... What? I don't think I can accept donations. I have no idea what's happening. But if you're doing it and it's happening, I believe you. I just can't see it. So thank you. Olavo, if you're still playing, or if anyone else wants to play, do a best of 3 because I want to check one more thing. I want to check if the... when you win, you're supposed to get a little, like, medal. So, like, each player knows what... player is what am I trying to say, knows what player it, like, has a win. So see if it's there. Let me know. Okay, so we need to play one game. Somebody should win. Oh, that's so cool. I love that it's coming through. Oh no, you just did it to yourself again. Self-elimination. All right, while we're doing that, also after adding the chat, I got into the player character. The human player is now too close to the cards and overlapping at the top on desktop and tablet. Please move that character down a little more. Okay, now I just want to see, we need to finish a game. Silas. Oh, I got Silas. Yeah. Jacob, if you are actually donating, I have no idea. I don't think I have donations. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Or if it is coming, then maybe I will get it at some point, but I don't know. Okay, that's good. It doesn't move it. I think we should just move the names a little bit lower from the avatar. Please move that character down a little bit more. Also, move the names of the characters a couple more pixels down from the avatar. Dude. Jacob, I'm not trying to be a punk here. I just don't see it, my man. If you are on I can go to my channel. I'm pretty sure I don't have any donate options. And if I'm in my own stream, there's no place to donate. So I can only assume, and please understand that I mean this nicely, that you are either a bot or doing something else, because I literally have no donation options available. Okay, we're gonna see if it gets these changes. Hold on. I'm also working on this. Yeah, Scammerino, that's kind of what I thought. I'm gonna have to ban him soon. Dude, I'm... Okay, alright, Jacob. You're getting... Sorry there, big dog. We'll start you with a timeout. I was just like... I was getting too... At first I was like, oh, that's super cool, because I did add a donate button to the game. So I was like, that's awesome. Thanks for donating. Okay, I'm going to see if these changes work. I got my 2 wins. That's amazing. Find a new game is all working. Back is working. Playoff line should still be working. Okay, good. That still works, hopefully. Is that working properly? Yes. Okay, we just need to move the character down a little bit. And then I think we'll be in good shape. So ideally, this works down. Rematch countdown timer, add a 30-second timer. That's good. I want that. File exports, make pick card. My page is importing pick card. I need to add an alias export for pick card. Alias exports to make pick card. Fix the missing import error. I don't know why you think there's an import error, but okay, let's publish this. Let's try again after it publishes. And hopefully we're all set. I can't believe how much better this game has gotten in like 2 days. This is not even 2 days, like 24 hours. Wild. Okay, I need more playtesters. Let's see, I'm gonna post it on the old Twitter. Oh, where's my tweet from earlier? That's a good one. I'll just put that one up again. Okay, where was it? Come watch, or at least playtest this game. It's a ton of fun, I promise. Okay, here we go. All right. How's that deploy going? Is it done? Okay, here we go. Hopefully this works. Refresh. Find match. Canadian manners. I know. Can't help myself. New game's open. Single game if you want to play. And then I'm going to do another 3-person game. I can also just play against myself, which is fun. I can just open up another screen. All right, Loyal Tiger. Oh man, I hope this looks a little better. If that fixed the UI issue without breaking it, I'll be very happy. And then we can move on to, we have 2 options of something that we could add. There was talk about a private like channel, so you could add like your own game. It didn't work. Shoot. Okay, it did that part, but it didn't move this down. I'm gonna try and take a screenshot of it. And okay. See. Just pictures. Okay. See the attached screenshot. The player character at the south position is too high and overlaps the cards. Move that entire, character element down slightly to avoid hitting the cards on desktop. Is it also doing it on... It's probably going to do it on desktop and all the way through, yeah, until... although actually on tablet it does a pretty good job. It's mostly just on desktop. Okay, hopefully this fixes. Then what do you think, Alava? What do you think you'd rather see first? Up to 8 players, or the ability to do private hosted games with like a code to enter? I feel like up to 8 players, weirdly, will be easier. But I find that this thing, it struggles so much on the UI. Like things that you think would be easy, it just cannot figure out. So I don't know. I'm torn. I'm torn between those 2 things. I don't know. I don't know which one to do. I don't know. We'll do them both. We're gonna make them both work. That's the end goal here. This game's really come together, though. I really like it a lot. I think it's fun. I don't think your prompt is going to work. I think it's going to work, Lavo. Just you wait, my man. I know. Well, that's the thing. Because I just don't... I literally haven't looked at any of the code, and I've just been prompting it and just letting it figure it out. No way, man. I can't try and get the object name. It's vibe code only. We're in a vibe code world. Just living in a little vibe code world, you know? Can't try getting the object name. Let's see if it works. We're gonna find out. If it worked, amazing. If it didn't work, well, then we'll keep going. We just vibe code now. It's the only way to go. There's no such thing as coding anymore. Coding is over. I'm just kidding, by the way. I'm being an idiot. But I do like to see how far I can push it without looking into anything. Okay, let's see. If it does it, I'll be happy. If it doesn't do it, then yeah, I'll have to go into like the design and see if I can get the element name. It's kind of one of the only downside with vibe coding is like, yeah, you literally, unless you look, you have no idea what it's doing. Or like what it's naming things, why it's doing things in a certain way. But you gotta admit, I mean, it's set up multiplayer like pretty flippin' well. I mean, I'm kind of blown away that it works at all, to be honest with you. Oh, it did! Oh, it just needs to go a little bit further. I mean, I could probably manually do that. I'm just gonna, no way, we're just gonna do it. Great job. Oh, how does it look on? Still look good, still looks good. Oh yeah, perfect. Like, come on, dude. It's getting wild. Great job. Still just a little bit further down, and then we are good to go. Are you saying Jesus Christ because of my prompts? Oh no, I just self-eliminated. Darn it. Dude, I'm just going. I told you, I'm going for it, man. I'm going for the prompting. We're having fun. We're having fun with prompts. Sometimes you just gotta let it ride, you know? Oh man. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can't believe I died. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, I bet it did it. If this one doesn't work, then I will actually go through the code, because it does tell you exactly where to go in the code. I think changing one number is okay. I think that's allowed. Okay, I'm gonna leave this game. If I left that game and you're still in it, let me know. It should still be working for you. And if I do that, that works. Okay, good. Like, it shouldn't matter if a player leaves. It should still keep playing. I mean, sometimes, obviously, with doing builds while people are playing, it's messed up sometimes, but... Okay, let's see. I don't even know if I updated. Let's do a refresh. Single round. Okay, new game. Here, this is what I was doing earlier, which is kind of cool. I like that you can just do this. So, I can just do this, and then I can do split, find a match. Did I do a single round? Single round. Boom. Look, now there's 3 of us. Oh, dang. All right, let's see. Let's see how it works. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. There's another tiger. Yeah, sharp tiger, loyal tiger, sharp dragon, you know. It could be 2 tigers. Oh, that's perfect. That looks great. That is done. Yeah, that's solid. Oh, self-elimination. Out. I love self-elimination. It's the best part of the game. Oh, I can't believe this works. This is... Oh, I just got eliminated. Well, one of my players did. All right, last one. No! Self-elimination. Oh, the worst. Okay, here, this will be good. Actually, I'm going to not vote with one of my players. Can you vote to play again? But then I'm not going to vote because it should not let it happen. My main profession is marketer. I just like designing and doing dev work for fun. But do me a favor if you can. Vote to play again if you still have the screen open. Because I just want to see... Yes, okay, so now there's 2. Do you like those little... I added the little avatars up there so that you know who voted. And it didn't go. Okay, perfect. Awesome. It probably should tell you before it does that. It should probably say, like, not enough votes, exiting game or something. Or how does, like, Rocket League do it? They just gray out the button if there's not enough votes. Maybe that's what we'll do. I like that idea. On the... My main profession is being a son to my dad. Aw, that's cute. That's very nice. I hope my kids say that about me one day. On the end of game screen, where you can vote to play again with the same players, when the timer runs out, instead of exiting automatically, just gray out and make the play again button not clickable, and then change the text below to say not enough votes to play again. I'm saying I'm unemployed. Fair enough. Hey, I'm a dad. If you tell me that your main profession is being a son, as a dad, I'm going to think that's cool and nice. But I am sorry that you're unemployed. Just go vibe code a game. Put a donate button on there. See if you can get people to pay you. Okay, this game has gotten pretty awesome, though. I'm not going to lie. Okay. Olavo, what do you want to see, man? Do you want to see... What do you think? 1 to 8? Do you want to do 8 players instead of 4? Or do you want to try and do private game hosting? Private game hosting makes me more nervous because it can definitely mess up more things. But I feel like... Do 8 players? Okay, I agree. I think 8 players is a better start. No. 8 players would be 8 cards. Yeah, 8 cards. That's why I'm nervous about it, because it's like a big UI change. Oh, no, that's what you're saying. Sorry. Yes, I'm worried about 8 cards because that's a big UI change, and I've noticed that it struggles with those big types of UI changes. And then I'm also worried about doing the private hosting because I already tried it once, and it really had a hard time. Yeah, circle, definitely. Got to go circle. And then with 8 cards, it'll be probably 2 rows of 4, I would think. I think that makes sense. Okay, hold on. Let me just try this. I just want to see if this last change worked. So now I need to do a game. This is the idea of this game is going to be that I want 1 round to go through, and then I'm only going to vote for only 1 person's going to vote to play again, and then it should not play again, but it shouldn't bump you out of that screen. It should say exactly what I told it to say, like gray out the button so you can't press play again after the timer runs out, and then also say, you know, not enough votes to play again. Oh, this looks so good. All right, Noble Stag, let's see what you got. Nice try, nice try. I gotta add some like music and stuff. Let's go after Silas. No, self-elimination. Darn it. I get to laugh at them. It's perfect. Oh, who did they go after? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, a miss. Okay, good. All right, Sharp Dragon, you're going to go after Silas. Yeah, eat it, Silas. Oh, you're done. Okay, Noble Stag. What are you going to do? Oh, good one. Got me. All right. Oh, shoot. I should have done a single game instead of play again. Now it's going to do the whole rounds. But I did want to make sure this works anyways. So this is good. You've got your little dot. That's good. It's showing that you've won. Okay. I'm going to try and make you win. So we're going to go for Silas. Self-elimination. Darn it. But I want you to win. I want Noble Stag to win because I want to do the voting. So hopefully Silas doesn't go after you. Sharp Dragon and no. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna go after Silas and either self-elimination or Silas. Yes. Okay. Now, hopefully you're gonna. The game is in your hand. Hopefully you don't self-eliminate. No. Darn it. Oh man. Okay. Goldfish. Well, no. Okay, so for what it's worth, the cards shuffle each time. Maybe I should make that more obvious with an animation, but the idea is that the cards shouldn't be in the same place because that would be way too easy. So the cards actually do shuffle in between each hand. But maybe I should add a better shuffle animation. Let's do it. Let's add a shuffle animation. To make it more obvious that the cards are shuffled after each player turn, let's add a little shuffle animation. While we are adding in... Wait, who won this one? I missed it. I stopped playing. Oh, Sharp Dragon just self-eliminated. Okay, you gotta win this. You gotta win this. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. What do you mean you can't? You can't play? Is it not working? Oh, well, it's going to do it auto for you, so hopefully it auto picks the right character. Come on, don't self-eliminate. But why can't you? Can you not click? Is something broken? Or you just can't do it because you... Yes, you won. Okay, perfect. You can't play. Oh, hey, dude, those prompts are genius. All right, I'm going to vote to play. I'm not going to vote on this one. And ideally, if this works, when that timer runs out in 15 seconds, I hope the clankers get you. Oh, dude, they're going to love me. They love me. Okay, here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Button should gray out. Voting closed. Perfect. That's great. Find new game. Find new game. Dude, we're crushing it here. We are crushing this game. Oh, there needs to be 1,000 more people in here trying this. Okay, to make it more obvious that shuffle cards have to... Let's add a little shuffle animation. While we are adding in animations, why not add in a deal animation at the start of the game? That shows the cards getting added to the table. Oh yeah. This prompt is so good. What else do I want? We're gonna do 8 characters after this. Let's see if we can get these animations working. And hey, you can't blame me. It's you developers' fault for making everything so good. You know, if you guys would have all just been terrible at developing, we never could have trained AI. So, check my last vibe code thing. What is it? You still can't do links because I still can't figure out how to turn. I don't know where I blocked links. I cannot find it. I've checked every platform that it could possibly be, and I cannot find out where. I cannot figure it out. Maybe I can figure it out over here. Hold on. I just don't know where I would have turned it off on. General moderation? Maybe it's did I accidentally turn it on this moderation? No. I have no idea. What's up? The deploy is working, but there's a routing issue? It'll fix it. Oh, you're talking about your thing. Or my thing. You're talking about my thing deploy's not working? Dude, it'll figure it out. You just gotta trust. You gotta trust in the clankers. You know, they'll figure it out. I also need to figure out how to turn on those chats. Oh, your thing's got a router issue. Dude, just trust the clankers. I'm telling you. Just let the clankers do it. They'll figure it out for you. It's all good. You don't even have to worry about it. There's no point of even panicking. Where? Action history commands. I'm trying to also, while this is building, I'm just trying to see if I can figure out the links. Let's see if I can figure it out over here. I have streamer bot, night bot, and stream elements all working. And one of them is blocking links on Twitch from users. Where can I check on each of those things to figure out what's causing the link block? Okay, that's done. Let's try this. Hopefully the animation didn't completely destroy it, but we will find out. Unbelievable. And if it didn't, we are moving on. While it's doing this, I'm also looking to see if I can figure out the have a non-mod viewer poke. Moderation. Okay, maybe it isn't here. Dashboard settings, moderation, look for block hyperlinks. Control list, setting control. No, there's no. Oh, is it in here? All chatters, phone verification. No. Block hyperlinks. I found it. Okay, you can post a link. Try it. I mean, you should. Maybe I have to save. Do I have to save something? Did I mess it up? I think you're good. Try it. Post that link. Don't make me regret it. Oh, okay. Nightbot deleted it. Okay. Oh, you got a warning from Nightbot. All right, now I got to go into Nightbot. Okay, hold on. I'm pretty sure Nightbot, but that's a good sign. That is better than what we had before. You know what's annoying though is I was pretty sure. Oh, links enabled. This filter allows you to time out. This is what. Hold on. Timeout link, timeout message. Okay, what if I turn this off? Okay, try one more time. If you get banned, I'm sorry, because I also don't know if I can figure out how to unban you. So, if you get banned, that that just might be that might be it for you. That might be the end. I'm sorry. Hey, there we go. It worked. Okay. All right. Let's see. I want me to pull this bad boy up. Whoa. Is this? All right, hold on. What's happening over here? Olava, what are we doing over here? Hold on. I need to try this first. Okay, hold on. I'll check that in 1 second. Find Find match. Find match. One round. One round. Hello. Hello. What was I testing? Oh, I was testing the animations, the shuffle animation. Let's just see if this works. If this works, I'm going to be so happy. And here, while I'm waiting for the game, I'll open up your link. Oh, this is cool. Dude, this is awesome. So is this just like your own personal Shopify? Well, hold on. I don't want to play any songs because I don't want to get... Trying to integrate Spotify web API. That's awesome, dude. Good for you. That's really cool. Oh, except I wasn't paying attention and I didn't see the cards come in. Oh, but obviously it broke something because look, Silas is not doing anything. No. The animation broke it. There seems to be something with breaking with the animations. After the game started, no one could make any moves. Check again to see what's happening and fix. Dude, just because my prompts are phenomenal, it doesn't mean that you need to be all upset by it. You know, they're just good. I'm just good at this. What can I tell you? I don't know what to say. Okay, this is great though. I got links fixed finally after like 6 years of not being able to do it. So that's good. Oops, I want my creator dashboard over here just to see what's going on. Okay, I need more players. I need more players, but okay, let's see if we can fix this animation problem, and then we're gonna post it up on the old Twit and see if we can get some more players. I see the issue. Of course you do. The problem is initialize game function. It's setting the phase to waiting, but the game start time is being set from the lobby, which may already have passed. Let me check the initialize game function. I see the issue now. Thank you. But game start time is null at this point, so it never transitions to dealing. The game start time should be set when the game starts, when the lobby timer expires and the game initializes. I found the bug. There we go. Now, why do I have a feeling this is going to have broken everything? Vercel is fast. Like, this is what I mean. They've done a great job. My Claude goes, yeah, I've heard Claude is so much better, but I don't know. If you, like, don't want to deal with code at all, which is what I'm doing right now, Vercel is kind of tops. And like I said before, I actually like the Google AI Studio quite a lot too, but Google's deployment just sucks. It's so bad. And it costs way more money, and it's just like, what a pain in the butt. I know. I will say this. Learning to code is a lot of fun. I like doing both things. I like messing around with this and just doing silly things. And I also really like actually coding. Okay. Did I deploy that? Yeah? Okay. Find match. One round. Oh, crud. It's still stuck in the state. I need to force it to... oh, did I actually publish it to fix? Yeah, I did. So I need it to... It probably needs to do the state change. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Okay, got it. Okay. And let's try this one. Find match, single round. Oh, okay, this one's still, that's just the state problem. Quick round, that should start a new game. That's fine. Dealing cards is taking too long. Oh yeah, this whole animation thing has been a huge mistake. Okay. Timers with animations. Timers for animations and game state are conflicting too much. If we cannot accurately get these working, remembering that they need to apply across Redis so all players are being handled appropriately. we should scrap this idea. Take a look. Flush Redis if needed as well. But let's make it happen. Oh, I knew I was going to break it with something stupid. I should have just not tried to do the animations. But I want the animations. I like the animations. They're fun. I want to be a hacker, the kind you can hack code. Yeah, I think that's awesome. And I think you should do that. I 100% do. Actually, the reason that I started streaming was because I started using boot.dev. And I loved doing that. It was so much fun. But then I also just have been messing around with AI and just seeing what it can do. And I like pushing these tools to see how far I can take it. But I am 100%. I do really like writing my own code. Especially, I really love writing Pico 8 code, the Lua. It's a lot of fun. But I always thought it'd be really sweet to be able to like actually hack stuff. So if you get to that, that would be awesome. All right, let's see if I can figure this out. Simple solution is remove the server-side animation phases and handle animations purely on the client side using local state. This way, the server just tracks game logic and the client can show animations without affecting game state. Okay, let's see if that works. We all are. We all are. What I'm worried about now is it's just if it's handling animations on the client side, how's it gonna know? Oh, I think it's gonna lose it. I think we're gonna lose the plot here. And we're gonna have to figure it out. But I think we're about to lose the plot. Okay. Let's see. I hope this works. You should. That's all you can do, man. Keep trying. That's literally my entire mantra is just trying in public now. That's all I'm focusing on. And like, you just try and you see what happens. And who cares? You know? Just try and get better. And if you do, great. And if you don't, well, then so what? At least you tried. All right, we're going to publish this one. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. That game actually worked. Somehow. All right. Here's to hoping. Oh, I hope this works. Because then I want to get into 8 players. And if we can get 8 players done before I have to leave, which I'm not sure exactly what time. I'm just waiting for kids to come home. But if we can implement 8 players before that, that would be sweet. All right, let's refresh these. Find a match. Single round. Single round. All right, let's see if this works. Let's just make sure other things are working. Can I still leave queue? Yes. Can I join a best of 3? Yes. Let me get back into this one. Yes. Okay. We're looking good. Looking good, feeling good. Now we just need the animation to not wreck the game state. And if that happens, I think we are done on... Okay, it went through. The animation wasn't there, which is fine. I don't really care that much. I'd rather the game work. Don't you get me out. Oh my gosh, Silas is on a roll. Silas. Wait, oh. Silas found... Why did Silas not... Interesting. Okay. Something weird happened here. For some reason, the same player took all the turns. We never changed the player in order after their turn. Fix this, please. I knew I should have done the animations. Darn it. just wanted those animations, and it made it so much worse. I 100%. We probably could have had 8 people simultaneously playing by now, and instead we are now stuck with these animations, and I don't want to go back because I've gone too far now. I refuse to not finish it. I have to finish it. But I've broken the whole game. Let's see if we can figure this out. Oh, I found the bug. There you go. After an elimination happens, there are still 2+ players. It sets the phase back to select target, but does not advance. This is the thing I find the most fascinating about AI. Like, that game logic was always working perfectly. So, why, when adding the animation, did it not preserve that game logic? And I know it's because it just doesn't know. Like, it doesn't have the mental ability to understand what it's actually doing. But I always find that super interesting, that it always breaks in the weirdest spots after you try to make a big change. That's why I'm so worried about doing the 8 players, is because I am certain it's gonna make. But see, that's the thing. Like, it does use human code, so it makes human mistakes. But maybe that is a human mistake. But I feel like if good developers would at least be aware of like keeping that state in mind, like of how the game operates. I mean, I know they're not perfect, but I feel like that's a thing that if I was making it myself, I would be like, okay, I want to add this animation, but I need to make sure that it doesn't break the game state. But I mean, I know I'd probably still mess it up, and I know other people probably would too, but it feels like a mistake that an LLM shouldn't make, even though I know it does. I don't know. That's just like a mental thing for me that I don't really know why. Like, I sort of know, but it's one of those weird mistakes that I find interesting. I am using natural language. That is true. Okay, let's see. Did we just publish that? I can't remember. Yes, I did. Okay, let's see if we figured it out. Round one. Okay, we got 2 people in. Boom, boom. Good, that's all working. Can leave. Yes. Can come back in. Yes. Can leave. Can go to a different one. Good. Can leave. Come back in. Still set. Awesome. All that stuff hasn't changed. Fantastic. Now we just need to see if the gameplay actually works. Okay, so Silas is going to start. Silas got Morgana. Awesome. Now Silas' turn should be over. Perfect. My turn. I'm going to go after Silas. I got myself out. Darn it. Dang. Snapdragon's turn. Silas, is it going to be yourself? No, you won. Sharp Dragon. Play again. Play again. That still works. Not sure why it keeps letting Silas go first. That's supposed to be randomized. Okay. I also... Okay, out. That's good. When I get out... Oh no, I picked the wrong person. When I get out, it shouldn't get rid... I don't think it should get rid of chat, even if you go out. I think you should still be able to send emojis. Ugh, this game's gonna take forever. Oh, Morgana. Ah, can't believe nobody's got out yet. This usually doesn't happen. Usually people are out so fast. Oh, Morgana's gone. All right, Sharp Dragon. Got him. Yeah, okay. I don't want the chat to go away, so that needs to be fixed. When a player is eliminated, they should still be able to use the chat message feature during the game. Okay, we won. Oh, that also needs to refresh. Okay, so that's a good thing. Also, if players, oh no, each after, also after each round, we need to make sure the player voting to play again is always reset. Currently, if you vote to play again, it stays like that, but doesn't actually allow players to choose to play again. Well, that's a really bad prompt. Oh, that's a bad one. We'll see. We'll see. We're getting spicy. We're getting spicy. I only got 2 hours of sleep last night, man. I'm dying. You gotta cut me some slack. All right. We're gonna finish this. We are gonna get this. It is an Ouroboros eating itself. It really is. It's gonna be. I have no idea what it's gonna be like in a couple years, but it's gonna. I can't imagine it's gonna get better. Okay, let's see if this works. I see the issue. I love when it does this. All right, how much money do I have left on here? Oh, okay, only a little bit. We're running out. Hopefully this works. I don't even know what's going on with the animations. I honestly can't even remember what it decided to do. Like, I kind of think it just deleted them and just never bothered to try to implement them again, which is fine. I don't want it to even bother. I'm gonna get 8 players done. That's what we're getting done before we finish this stream. And if we can finish that, then I'm gonna be pretty happy. And I think we can do it. This is awesome. I love it. I am very pleased with this game. This game is a lot of fun. I still can't believe my son came up with it. Like, I don't even know how he came up with the original card game. But it was such a fun game. All right. Hopefully that works. Let's publish. Okay. Ideally that works. And if that works, we're in good shape. I don't even want to write the prompt for 8 players. I'm so nervous that it's going to be terrible. I'm going to see. I have to write a prompt for a game system to go from 4 players to 8. All the logic needs to remain the same. Just add additional players. The thing I am most concerned about is how these players are going to get added to the UI. So I want to make sure my prompt is LM to figure this out and keep things the same, just adding players. Okay, that's done. Let's see if that worked. Find match, round 1. We're gonna go best of 3, then we're gonna leave it, then we're gonna go find match, then we're gonna go round 1, then we're gonna leave queue, find match, best of 3. Okay, good, that all works. Find match, 1. See if this works. Ooh, doggy. Hold on, I gotta check timing on something. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Silas. Yeah, I also don't like how it keeps selecting Silas. It really needs to be randomizing that a little bit more, but that's fine. We'll start with this. Morgana. Done. You're out, Morgana. Morgana is done. Oh, shoot. Oh, no, I can still do play again. That's fine. Okay. Gentle Tiger. Oh. That didn't seem right. Oh, self-elimination. Did I click the wrong thing, or did my hand just slide? I hope my hand just slid. I think it did. Okay, got him. Out. Done. Play again. Play again. That should start another game. Yeah, I don't like that it's starting with Silas every time. Starting players should be randomized. Okay, Morgana. Oh, yeah, that's not right. These animations aren't working now. Ah, but it's failing in such a weird way. I don't even know how to explain it. Shoot, I really should just go back to where it was working before. Why did it do that, though? I wonder. Oh, I think I actually know why. I think it's because... Well, that's good, I won. Sweet. But yeah, this is still broken. So it needs to clear these... Oops. Okay. This is the third game, but as you can see from the screenshot, although no one has voted to play this third game, it's already saying there are 2 votes. This means it's not being cleared from the last time. We need to clear this. Also, there are times now when a card is clicked that doesn't lead to an elimination, where the card clicked and the card flipped over are not the same. I think this is happening because we are carrying out the shuffle of the cards before the server has, or no, before the client has handled the flip animation. That timing needs to be fixed. So animation happens, then shuffle for the next player. Lastly, it seems as though the same player is getting chosen to start the game every time. This could be an animation. No, I'm not even gonna say that. The starting player should always be randomized. Okay. I just need this to, I need to get the game back to like a spot where it works reasonably well. Because now it's doing things that it shouldn't do, which stinks. I went too far. Like I flew too close to the sun. And now I have nothing. Oh, all right. Oh, we broke so many things right now, but hopefully we'll be back to normal soon. Come play the game and test it with me. Play a card, get the win. All right. Oh, my 2 a.m. falling asleep yesterday is catching up to me. Oh. Okay, let's see. Can see all 3 issues. Rematch vote's not clearing. The issue is that after a round ends and a new series begins, via vote rematch vote is cleared. But the screenshot shows this happening at the start of round 3, meaning the votes from rounds 1 and 2 are persisting. Looking more closely, the issue is likely that the rematch votes array in vote rematch function is only starting a new. Oops, hold on. It's not when starting a new round within a series. The start next round function does clear rematch votes on it, but this might not be getting called. Let me check. Card flip showing wrong card. The shuffle happens and before resetting is revealed, but actually looking at the code, the revealed card should still show correctly because we're not resetting. Is revealed until the next round. The issue is the shuffle happens immediately, but the card might still be showing the old card positions. I need to add delay. That makes sense. Starting player always the same. Always shows 1. This is deterministic, not random. Okay, that's good. That makes sense. The issue must be there's a still. Okay. Oh, it's just saying there's still data. Oh, that's very possible. From a previous fix, but the issue is when vote rematch triggers a new series, all humans voted directly transitions to select target with rematch votes, but the client side has voted rematch is true and might not reset if the check doesn't fire. That makes sense. It's only reset phase equals waiting and current round equals 1, but when a new series starts via vote rematch, it goes directly to select target phase, not waiting. That makes sense. Current round is reset to 1, but phase is select target, so the condition. All right, that all makes sense. Flush the script. It always says it's going to present the flush script, but it's not. You did not present the flush script again. I will run it if you present it. I hope this works. We're getting so close. This game is coming together. It is almost like a fully working game. I mean, it was a fully working game, and then I broke it with animations. Standard. Oops. Oopsies. Okay, you're saying that it's coming up. Okay, show me the run. Come on, button. Pop up. Nope. You're not doing it. You don't know what you're talking about. I hate when this happens. I was not given the option to run flush script. Why can't you figure this out? I like to yell at the LLM every once in a while, you know? Just to mess with it. Okay. We're gonna make it after all. I think I've lost my mind. Yeah. Sorry all the time. Yeah, it's not. It's not doing it. I know you think you're doing it, but you're not. So I'm just gonna try it anyways. Even though you're a fool. Maybe I should just tell it to make the flush script happen on every deploy. I mean, it might mess up some people playing, but as of right now, literally nobody else is playing it other than me, so who cares? You know? Nothing it can do. We're gonna get this. It's gonna work eventually. Hopefully it works now. I'm gonna do a best 2 out of 3. Oh, I actually don't want to do that. That's annoying. Why did I do that? Ah, that was dumb. Well, we're gonna do another one. Hide and seek. And a notch. Round on. And I guess I need another one too. Hide and seek. Hide notch. 1. Put these together. Okay. There we go. Oh, I got so many games. Morgana's gone. Okay. I don't like that it's moving. It shouldn't move the cards like that, but that's fine. We'll deal with that later. No, didn't get you. Silas. Now it should be Gentle Tiger's turn. Go for Morgana. Oh, I took myself out. The Slot Mancer. Yeah, baby. Hey, have you ever listened to my song? Hold up, I'm gonna play it. This is a great song. Oh, actually, hold on, wait. I want to play it over here. Dude, I have such a good song for this. It's such a good song. Okay, wait. Morgana, you out. Oh, no. Self-elimination. Sharp Stag. Didn't get you. That's okay. We're playing too many games. I'm really just trying to get to difference. Okay. The AI slot, baby. Oh, yeah. Just wait for this one. You ready? So good. This one is actually good, I think. Okay. Okay, can you hear it? I'm the purveyor of slop, king of the crud, rolling out content, all paper and mud. A flick of the switch, clickety clack. Slop, slop, digital slop. No ginger. Keep numbering it all day long. I never toil, I never sweat. I let the machine spin a pirouette. You thought I'd paint or ride with me. It's pre-cooked stew straight out of VID. Slop, slop, villain slop. Every dull morsel goes plop, 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 plop. Oh, good, and that worked. Okay, great. Why craft or create with talent to win when a robot can spit out an endless bit of flood every corner, each nook and each app till the world is knee. Okay, we're good. We're ready for 8 people. Do slop, slop, slop. Filling up the trolley now. Stop. The good folks groan, but the purveyor of slop is the rage alone. Oh my gosh, this 3 of 3 is going to so many rounds. Everybody's won. I was not expecting that. Oh, did Morgana start it again? I wasn't paying close enough attention to know. Oh, okay, that's a downside. When one person has voted and the timer runs out, it's not... Oh, no, it is doing voting closed. That's right. Okay, never mind. I'm just an idiot. I don't know whose song this is. We're going to turn this one off. Anyways, Purveyor Slop, awesome song. It's the best one that I've made. By far. Without a doubt. What's that one? Before I click it, hold on. Let's full flush grip. Okay. Okay, that's all working as expected. I just need this game to end. Okay, good. I got out. So somebody's going to win this one. Okay. Who's going to win it? Perfect. That should end. Done. Play again. Find new game. It works perfectly. Okay. Here comes the big one. We're gonna try and go from 4 to 8. Oh, I'm so nervous about this. Oh, I'm nervous. Okay, I had AI write its own prompt to see if I can do this. Let's see what happens. Okay, the good news is we've got a working game. We've got a working game. We're gonna try and add 8. Oh man. Okay. Hold up. Yeah. Where is this tweet that I need? There it is. Come with me. Need play testers, please. Check out the game. It is fun. Come check it out. Okay, about to ruin all my work by trying to convince the LLM to change the entire game from 4 to 8 players. It's definitely gonna blow this up. We're in so much trouble. Oh, we're in trouble. Okay, let's see how it's doing. Let me check the UI layouts. Yeah, this is gonna be the hard one. The UI layouts are what's gonna kill it. 4 players. UI layouts hard-coded 4 positions. Yeah, that's fine. Turn order logic, that's all fine. Change for 8 players. The key insight is that with 8 players, we need to update max players to 8. Add more bot names and avatar seeds. Simplify turn order. Just use sequential instance. The visual layout will handle positioning. Update UI to dynamically render player positions in a 2-row layout, 4 top, 4 bottom. Oh, I should have changed that. I don't know why it decided to do that, but I actually want it to do a circle layout, like a poker table. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it go and see if it works, if I can even get to 8 players. And if I can get to 8 players and it works even if it's 2 lines, that's fine. And then I'll try one more prompt to just say, visually make it a circle of players like a poker table. If I say poker table, do you think it's gonna draw a poker table? I mean, even if it does, that's fine. Okay. I want this to work, and then the last feature that I want to work is I would really like to get private games situation set up where you can start a private game and then it gives you a code that other people can join. So you need to have like a host to join. It just needs to be like a host join button. Somebody hosts it. When it hosts, it should run everything the exact same. Dude, what? Hold on one sec. Okay. You know this startup called Foodie? No. What's that? I've never seen them. What do they do? Oh, I can't click that. Why are you trying to... Here, let me open it up first. I just want to make sure. Dude, they'd probably love this. This game is such a great game. Like I said, I'm so impressed with my kid for coming up with the playing of this game. Oh yeah, this is I'm basically building this. Just under one game right now. That's hilarious. Acorn is like an Omega 10x. Yeah, I don't know Acorn. Dude, that's very cool. Maybe I will. Maybe they'll be on board with it. I mean, honestly, even if they should just take, I'm sure they could just take the game and make it themselves, but because the game itself is awesome. I really like the game. And it would actually be amazing. Even if like let's be honest, I don't plan on making any money from this game. But like even if I make no money off of this game, but somehow it becomes like a new staple game in all of these other like 50-in-1 card games, that would be awesome. Imagine if I could, like, if my son grows up and I get to be like, dude, your hide and seek cards is your game. And it's in everything now. Also, what is happening? Why is this thing paused? What are you thinking about? I don't like it when you just do this. Why are you paused? Oh, I don't want to press retry. This is the only thing I hate that's such a annoying thing. Like, it says thinking, but it seems very clearly to be stuck. Are you stuck? What are you thinking about, bro? No, you're not even in the right spot. No, no, no. Go back to your task list. No. Ugh. Stupid. It's burning dollars now because it doesn't know what it's doing. I don't want the flush script. I want you to go back to your task list. I do find it struggles with its own, like, it creates these task lists, which, like, is interesting, but then it often messes itself up. You stopped after task 1 of 5. Please continue. Like, that's the kind of stuff that annoys the fuck out of me. Because, like, now it's just restarting because it doesn't know what to do. Yeah. Well, it's trying again, so let's see what happens. Let's see the message. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's see if it works. Am I gonna run out of money? Probably. I've used too many Vercel credits today. We're blowing through them. If it does this, though, that would be legit. It would be super cool. All right. Oh, boy. Don't like when it starts doing ridiculous stuff over here. How many gigabytes is this tab right now? This tab is 4 gigabytes in Chrome. Whoopsies. Maybe that's why things aren't working as well. I probably need to refresh this. give it a break on what it's doing. Okay. Stop implementing to-do lists. Just do it. 8-player expansions for online multiplayer. Let me skip this task since offline mode should stay at 4 players. Okay, perfect. That's actually great. I do like that. I don't want 8 players in offline mode. That was a smart move. Already has 2-row layout. Yeah, I don't really understand why it chose to do a 2-row layout. And that makes me nervous because it 100% isn't going to work. But if it does, that would be cool. How are we doing? Oh my god. Based on the card, really security. Okay. It's saying it did everything? Oh no, there's no way it got this right. There's no way it figured this out. Okay, you keep telling me to press the run to flush the Redis, but you never give it to me anymore. You used to tell me, you used to be like, here, run this command, and now you don't do it, and that's garbage. And I'm gonna have to stop soon because it's getting late. I gotta make dinner, do all those other things. But let's see if this works. The good news is I'm not going to publish it right away for the first time. I'm going to try and just test it in here and see if it works. Find a match. 1 round. Finding players. Single round. There's 8. That's good. That's the way it should be. This is no way this is going to look good on... How does this look on tablet? Well, that's fine. How does it look on mobile? It's going to be super long. That's fine. Whatever. I'm okay with it. What I really want to see is how it looks, how the game looks. This is all that matters. I believe this is going to be terrible, is my truthful gut instinct on here, but I guess we're going to find out. Oh, it seems to have gotten stuck anyways. Is it adding all the bots? Okay. It did that. Wait, why is this doing first to 2 wins? I'm pretty sure... Oh, that's a Redis issue, isn't it? I don't know if it's broken because of... Yeah, here we go. Fix these errors. Fix these errors. Okay. Oh, I am on here now. Okay, hold on. It's slow. It's sort of working, but yeah, the UI is terrible. Let's try it. Let's see what it looks like on desktop. Oh, I knew it was gonna wreck it. I knew it was gonna wreck it so much. But there are 8 people, so that's good, I guess. I mean, technically, I can even click stuff. I think. Oh yeah, that didn't work. That's supposed to show a thing. Oh, we're getting so many errors. Oh no. The function we're trying to is an array. It's like having the game search data with some special format. Older game states. Yeah, I actually do feel like it's probably a Redis issue, but I can click Silas. I can't click any cards because it's not, because the whole layout is messed. I gotta try and take a screenshot of this. I actually don't mind the 2 rows though. I mean, I like the idea of a circle more, but the 2 rows actually isn't that bad. I can live with 2 rows over a circle. Although it should be, I mean, it's not that hard to make it into a circle, but let's see. Okay. We're almost done. We're almost done here. The only thing I'm proud of this time is that I did not publish it yet. So at least I know the game still works, which is good. Okay. Let's see if it figures this out. It would be awesome. I would really love for it to get... Stop saying click the run button if you're not going to give me the run button. It's actually incredibly frustrating. Rotate players. Okay. We're just gonna make it go. Instead of 2 rows of players, I still want a circle for the players with the human player at the center, at the bottom center. At the bottom center. However, the cards should now be a 2x4 grid, a 2x4 grid inside the circle. It's vital that that elements of avatars and cards do not overlap. Okay. Well, let's see. It thinks it figured it out anyways. So let's try this. 1 round, finding players. For debugging, I really need to add like a don't wait 37 seconds or 30 seconds for this game. All right. We are going to get there. We're going to get there. This is it. I'm telling you. Hold on 1 second. Lickety split, a clickety clack. Okay. Oh, it's still. I think it's getting stuck because it's trying to load so much, which is annoying. Because it really just needs to add all those bots. It shouldn't be this big of a wait. Okay. Can I get this to go? Okay, there you go. Yeah, it just takes time. All right. Are we getting all those errors again? Oh, yeah. Wait, no, those are old, right? 22779? Those are old errors? You think? Oh, does that game just quit? What in the H? I don't know what's happening. I don't know why it's quitting. Oh yeah, we're still getting tons of errors. Okay, let's leave. I can't leave because there's too many errors. We are still getting tons of errors for t.map. Let's see if we can make this change anyways. I'm also going to share the screenshot. I just like to overload those clankers. The attached screenshot shows a desktop mode. What does it look like on phone? Oh, it actually looks better on phone somehow. Desktop mode with things overlapping, which we cannot have as we switch over, meaning sizing might need to change on player and cards. Okay, let's see. We're gonna give it this, and then I think we're gonna go because it's gonna be that time to be done. Oh, I really want 8 to work, but just to make sure, does the game still work, or did it? What I'm worried about now is that because it changed a bunch of other game state stuff on the back end, now it's not going to work here. But because I want the game to just still work. Okay, good. At least the game still works until I press publish. Before, it had done some other weird things where, like, excuse me, it wouldn't work. Okay, good. The game still works now, at least. So people can still play it. That's fun. And then hopefully, eventually, we'll figure this out. Who's in the polling? Okay. Can return a state where the arrays may be corrupted during process. Yeah. Yeah, clanker. Why are you messing all this stuff up? Thought you were supposed to be good at this. Guess not. Big dog. Guess not. Cheaters now. Rose as Arcotalk is unneeded to. Let me rewrite the game layout. Sure. Why not? Just go for it. Go ham. Go ham, Clanker. Do what you can. We're going to have to end this soon. It's been fun. I've had a good time. But I'm going to have to go. Digital stop. Take it down to da 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 da. Shut it up. Sleep never take it all day long. All I really want is to be able to play my game with 8 people and not break it. But I knew that the Clanker would struggle because it doesn't know how to do these type of things. Yeah. It's one of those things where, like, I knew it was gonna just not be able to handle it. Which I'm not saying I could do it. I'm just saying I definitely knew that it was not gonna be able to handle it. I was very confident in that fact. Oh, man. Okay, I hope this works. I really want this to work. Please. Let's pray to the Clanker gods. Please, Clanker gods. Let this work. All I want to do is... The layout is using Rose hardcode. Yeah, okay. Let me rewrite the game layout. Fine. Need to update both components to support a small size prop and also fix the export and player seat. Let me also check what interface. Oh, God. Did I... What is currently published? Because I definitely need to remember what that is. Why are you still running game state? It's not even, like... It's a polling issue. So, what are you doing? Ah! Voice low, music loud? Oh, alright, I'll turn the music down. There, how's that? That better? I don't know why my voice went down low. I've probably just been mumbling, to be honest with you. It's very possible that I've just been doing a little bit of mumbling. Alright. Oh boy, here we go. It says it fixed everything. Let me check how Page TSX uses matchmaking screen. One has a different interface. Instead of the game setters. Oh god. Oh no. It's getting way too deep into other things. This is when I know I'm in trouble. It started going a little too wild. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Playing mode? Okay, it's saying it's fixed everything. Oh my gosh. No! I don't like this layout. Oh, why did you do that? Oh, I don't like this. It looks so much worse. I mean, this is fine. I'm fine with this. No. Okay, I do just want to see if the game works. But, like, there's no timer now. Oh. Why? Why did you make all of those changes? Like, and now the emojis don't work. Oh my god. You broke everything. You broke everything. Oh yeah, it's totally boned. Well, that's about as good a time as any. Yeah, it completely blew it. That is about as good a time as any to bail on this. And we'll just go back to the last one that worked. Which was 10 minutes ago. Was that actually the right version? Let me check. Oh. Yes, that looks much nicer. I just want to make sure this... Oh no, it's still added 8. Ah, see, this is the problem with Redis. It doesn't... That's why it doesn't work. Unless... Oh no, wait. Which one's deployed? That's the one that I want. Which version is deployed? Hold up. No, don't restore that version. Ah, crap. What I wanted to see is which version is deployed. Where does it... It used to tell me somewhere. I don't remember where. Well, it was 31 minutes ago, so if I go back 31 minutes. It used to like say deployed against one of these. We'll do this one. That's got to be it. And we're going to restore to that one. I can't use Git in Vercel. It's just not how it works, man. I do use Git normally when I do stuff, but this is like its own Git. It's just a visual Git. Okay, let me just check and make sure this works. 1 round, 1 player, good. Okay, yeah, that's the right version. All right. The game is working as it should. So we are going to go back to this version. And maybe tonight, I might even come back on for a 3rd time and try and finish this game. Because I really do want to get to 8 players. I think that'd be cool. But we definitely aren't going to get there right now, and I'm going to pass out. So I think I have to call it. Okay. Olavo, my man, thank you for joining me. Like, I literally might come back on later tonight. We'll see. Oh, no, it's broken, though. See, it wrecked Redis. The Redis issues are the biggest issue of making, and it created itself a script so that it should be able to solve it. But then it just messes up. See, yeah, Redis is all messed up now. Fudge. Hold on, what if I do this, though? Will that fix it? Okay, we're going to leave the queue. That should be fine. Let's see if I can play a game. I got to test one. My man. What's up, dude? I'm testing one game before I go. But yeah, Redis issues are a pain in the butt, is what I've learned more than anything else. Because it's supposed to have a script that flushes it, but like while I'm building, but it doesn't. It just doesn't do it properly. Okay, does this all work? Gentle Tigers up. Silas. Boom. Flip Silas. Good. Can I still chat? Yes. Good. Everyone can see it. All right. We're good. We're good. Snapdragon. Oh, yeah, that's me. Okay. This is the best game state that we have. By far. I'm going to get you, Sharp Dragon. Ooh, yeah. Told you. I don't like that it's moving the cards, but that's fine. We can fix that. All right, Morgana. Who are you going after? Ooh, a little self-elimination. Silas, did I get you? Oh, darn it. I lost. But that's back. Voting works. Countdown still working. Let me make sure this works. A new series begins. Oh, I think Gentle Tiger's starting each time again. That's not right. When did I fix that? Did I fix it after? I don't remember. We'll have to go back later. Oh, this game's still going. Nice. Okay, it's doing it right, though. That's good. All right. We are back to a working spot. So we're done for the day for now. Thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. If I don't see you again, have a good weekend. And we're going to make this work. It's going to get there. We are going to get there. I'm telling you. It's going to happen. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.